everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be starting the new chapter of standard 9th maths first, chapter number 6, financial planning. So my dear students, today we will see what is savings, what is investment and what is financial planning. Before starting the practice set 6.1, just please pay attention, try to understand. This is very much important for our life and we should know the thing which is related to our life. Okay, so please pay attention. Everyone knows what is savings. Okay, so I also do the savings. Okay, so when I finish with my daily needs, okay, when I spend some money on my daily needs, okay, which are very essential, which are very necessary for my family. So after spending the lump sum amount, after spending or after taking all the necessary things in home, we should always save some money, right? So we keep that money in deposit, we deposit that money in the bank, or we always keep it in the cupboard. Okay, we save some money for why we save this money, because there will be any emergency in future and if we required money we will use that savings. Okay, so please pay attention, try to understand. See, savings after spending on the necessities of the present. Okay, everyone tries to save money to make provisions for the future needs. That is what we call saving money, right? We all saves money. So this is savings. Now we will see what is investments. Okay, so in order to protect our saving, okay, if you want to protect our savings or if we want to grow, if we want that हमारी saving grow हो जाए, बढ़ जाए, so what we do some investments. Where do we do investments? We buy some flats or we buy some lands or we buy some vehicles or gold, right? So we buy and we keep it, we save our money or we invest some money on these things, and so that we are protecting our savings. This is called investments. So please pay attention here. Investments, in order to protect our savings or even to make them grow, we keep them as fixed deposits or buy immovable properties such as a house or a flat or a land, etc. That is what we call investment, right? We know what is saving, what is investment. Now we will see what is financial planning. So my dear students, every person they plan something regarding the finance. Okay, it means suppose I know how much salary I am getting, how much money I require to complete necessities of my families, and then how much money I used to save in every month, and then what I am doing, how I will utilize that saving money for the future, okay, for the benefit of my family, and that is called the financial planning. Everyone, every investor, every person should do, or they are doing financial planning. So please pay attention here. What is financial planning? Every investor first spends the amount required to meet the primary necessities. Okay, everyone they spend some money for the primary means which are very essential or necessary for our family. Okay, so we invest some amount over there and saves the remaining amount. बाकी amount हम save रखते हैं. One also uses these savings to make carefully considered investments, like some of them they use that money, they invest some money in the land, house or gold or vehicles, they buy some, they do some business. So this is called financial planning. The main purpose of financial planning is protection and growth of wealth. Everyone want that they should always grow. There should be a protection of the saving. There should be a growthness of a saving. So that is everyone needs and everyone thinks the same. I hope you understood the introduction part of the financial planning. Okay, now we will start the practice set 6.1. So dear students, after the explanation we will start the practice set 6.1, question number 1. Please read the question very carefully and try to understand first and then start solving. See, question number 1. Alka spends 90% of the money that she receives every month. Alka is a lady, a housewife. Okay, of course her husband used to give her some money, okay, to use for the primary necessities. Primary necessities means primary things which are very essential for the family. Okay, so जैसे एक husband अपनी wife को घर खर्च चलाने के लिए पैसे देता है. Okay, so Alka spends 90% of the money that she receives every month. So Alka used to spend 90% of the total amount what she receives from her husband. अलका की आदत है कि वो अपने हस्बैंड की दी हुई जो अमाउंट होती है उसका 90% शी एक्सपेंड और स्पेंड एंड 10% इट मींस 10% शी सेव्स. ओके, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. 10% वो बचा लेती है. सी नाउ, and saves rupees 120. Rupees 120 every month she saves. How much money does she get monthly? So we have to find that how much money she receives from her husband or how much money she gets every month. So my dear students, please pay attention. It is very much easy. We don't know. What we don't know? We don't know how much amount she received, okay, from her husband. So what we will do, I always used to tell you the thing which we don't know, we will consider it X. So my dear students, we will start the solution now. See, let the total amount received by Alka every month be rupees X. Suppose और फर्ज करो कि अलका को X रुपीस अमाउंट मिलते हैं, ओके, घर खर्च चलाने के लिए. ओके, नाउ वी विल कंसीडर दैट अलका रिसीव एवरी मंथ रुपीस X. Alka's expenditure, अलका का खर्चा कितना होता है? She every month she spend 90% of the total amount. वो उस टोटल अमाउंट का 90% खर्च करती है. इसका मतलब 10% बचाती है, right? Now see here, Alka's expenditure is equals to 90% of the total amount. Total amount जो X है, okay? Alka's saving, तो अलका बचाती कितनी है? 100 में से 90% she spend, okay? From 100%. 90% amount she spent or her expenditure is there 90% of the total amount, okay, दी हुई पूरी रकम में से. Now how much will left? 10% she saves, वो 10% बचाती है of the total amount. Total amount का 10%. So my dear student, but she saves rupees 120 every month. We know कि वो हर month, हर महीने 120 रुपए बचाती है, right? So that is 120 rupees is only 10% of that amount, okay? वो 120 रुपए ही 10% है, right? Because 10% बचाती है और कितने पैसे बचाती है? 120, 120 रुपए बचाती है, मतलब 10% है. So we want to know how much amount she received, okay, every month. So what we do here? 10% of X, मतलब 10% of that amount received, okay? 10% of received amount is 120. मतलब जो अमाउंट है उसका 10% है 120. क्लियर? अगेन 10% ऑफ अमाउंट रिसीव्ड बाय अलका इज 120. 10% है 120 रुपए. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल राइट इट डाउन, वी विल सॉल्व इट. 10% मींस 10 upon 100. 20% मींस 20 upon 100. Of means multiplication. X means X is equals to 120. Now what we have learned, okay, वेरिएबल के साथ, वेरिएबल के अलोंग जो है दैट विल गो टू द अनदर साइड. सो वेरिएबल x के बाजू में क्या है? 10 upon 100. सो दिस 10 upon 100 will go to the right hand side, so it will reciprocal 100 upon 10, right? So therefore we will write x is equals to 120 multiplied by 100 upon 10, right? Now what we will do, we will cancel some zeros. See, 1 0 1 0 will get cancelled. So what we will come to know, x is equals to 120 multiplied by 10 is equals to 120, and this 10 has 1 0, so we will increase 1 0. So it means x is equals to 1200. And what is x? X is the total amount received by Alka every month be rupees x. तो अलका को कितने पैसे मिलते हैं every month? 1200. It means 1200 रुपए, right? उसके 10% कितने हैं? 120, right? Because 10% of x amount, 10% of x amount is 120. यानी उस अमाउंट का 10% है 120. See here, 1200 का 10% 120. So this is how we have to solve. This is very much easy. Now at the last we will write in the word therefore amount. We will write from the question. See, amount received by Alka every month is rupees. Amount received by Alka every month is rupees 1200. I hope you understood this question. It is very much easy. Dear students, after question number 1, we will see question number 3 first, because question number 1 and question number 3, they are similar. Okay, so we will solve this with the similar method. Please try to understand. After this, we will see the question number 5, because it is also similar with question number 1. So question number 1, question number 3 and question number 5, they are very similar to each other. So please pay attention. First we will understand the one concept. Okay, see here, question number 3. Nikhil spent 5% of his monthly income means monthly salary, on his children's education, invested 14% in shares, deposited 3% in a bank, and used 40% for his daily expenses. He was left with a balance of rupees 19,000. What was his income that month? So my dear students, in question number 1 we have spoke about Alka. How much amount she received we don't know, so we have considered X amount she received every month, right? 10% she saves every month, that is 10% of X is equals to how much rupees every month she saved? 120. So 10% 120 हो गया था. This question is also the same. In this question a person name came Nikhil. Nikhil spent 5%. Nikhil खर्च करता है 5% of his monthly salary or income on his children education. 5% बच्चों की पढ़ाई पे. Okay, invested 14% in shares. उसी monthly salary में से 14% वो invest करता है shares में. First he invests 5% or he spent 5% on children's education. 14% he invests or spent or invest in 14% in shares, share में invest करता है. Then again deposited 3% in a bank, बैंक में भी 3% deposit करता है, save करता है, and used 40% for his daily expenses, and he used 40% of salary के 40% he used for his daily expenses. Okay, ये सब होने के बाद he was left with a balance of rupees 19,000. ये सब खर्चे होने के बाद उसके पास 19,000 बचता है. It means he saves 90,000 every month. He saves 90,000 every month. So that is saving. 19,000 उसकी saving है. So total expenses कितने हैं? See, first what we have to find, what was his income that month. Okay, so we have to find the total income or total monthly salary of Nikhil. So we will consider let the monthly income of Nikhil be rupees X. First करो निखिल की salary monthly income or monthly salary X rupees है. Okay, and now we will see how much he spent. कितने expenditures हैं, कितने खर्चे हैं. So Nikhil's expenditure and investment मिलाकर 5% on children's education, 14% on shares, 3% on he deposit in the bank, 40% he uses for daily uses. So total कितने खर्चा हुआ of monthly income? Monthly income का total खर्चा कितना हुआ? 62% of monthly income. Okay, so 62 खर्चा हुआ. It means how much he left, how much savings he does. Nikhil savings 100% में से 62 expenditures, it means खर्चा हो गया. So how much left over with him? 38%. 38% means how much rupees he saves every month. उसके पास हर month कितने पैसे बचते हैं? 19,000. So 19,000 is the 38% of his monthly salary. See, but he saves rupees 19,000 given. वो उसके पास कितने पैसे बचते हैं? 19,000. So 38% जो है 62% उसने खर्चे किए. 38% of monthly salary X is 19,000. So monthly salary का 38% है 19,000. Now we will find out 38% means 38 upon 100. Of means multiply X का X and is equals to 19,000. Now this X के alongside, X के साथ variable के साथ जो होता है that will go to the another side. That is 38 upon 100 will go to the right hand side, but it will reciprocal. So see, x is equals to, therefore x is equals to 19,000 multiplied by 100 upon 38. 100 upon 38. So my dear students, I know 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38. So 19 ones are 19, 0 are 0, 0 are 0, 0 are 0. Okay, and 19 twos are 38. So now 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100, right? 100 ka half 50. So what is left from here? 1000 multiplied by 50. 5 ones are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. It means 50,000. X is equals to 50,000. So now tell me, Nikhil, monthly salary कितनी है? 50,000. Is it clear? Question number 1 also was same. Question number 3 is also same. Now we will solve question number 5. See here, I have said here, he saves rupees 19,000. That is 38%. Because 62% he used to spend. खर्चा कर देता है. Expenditures हो जाते हैं. That is 62%. बचे कितने? 38%. 38% is of salary, of monthly salary is 19,000. So this will we have to solve like this. I hope you understood. So what is the method? First हम consider करेंगे कि उसकी amount जो पूछा गया है that will be x. Then we will add all the expenditures. हम सारे expenditures की addition करेंगे. Then we have to subtract from 100. फिर हम उसको 100 से subtract करेंगे. जो बचती है whatever savings left with the given person or woman, that percentage we will find out and we can find the monthly salary or amount received by Alka. So this is how we have to solve. Now we will see the question number 5. It is also same. So dear students, after question number 1 we have solved question number 3. Now we will see question number 5. All these 3 questions are related to each other and similar method we will use. That's why I am solving first, third and fifth. The rest of the questions we will solve after this. My dear students, please pay attention here. The question number 5th is, Samira spent 90% of her income and donated 3% for social useful causes. Okay, Samira, she is working woman. Okay, वो कमाती है. Monthly salary she is getting because she works. So from her monthly salary she spent 90% for her income. Okay, she spent 90%. Okay, 90% वो spend करती है, खर्च करती है and donated 3% for social cause. Okay, और 3% वो लोगों की भलाई के लिए ट्रस्ट में या कहीं पे डोनेट करती है. So total how much percentage of her monthly income she spent? कितना spend करती है? 90% plus this 3%, total 93%. So from 193% she spent, वो खर्च कर देती है, तो कितने बचते हैं उसके पास? 7%, right? 100 में से 93 we will deduct. So how much will left over? 7%. 7%. So we will see the further question. If she is left with rupees 1,750, अगर उनके पास बचते हैं, left मतलब बचते हैं यानी वो सेव करती है, save. If she saves with rupees 1,750, अगर 1,750 रुपए वो बचाती है at the end of the month के आखिर में, what was her actual income? So what was her actual income means what was her monthly salary or monthly income? So we will consider it x. Let the Samira's monthly income be rupees x. पहले हम consider करेंगे x हमेशा. जो पूछा है that we will consider x. Let the monthly salary of Samira or let the Samira's monthly salary or monthly income be rupees x. Suppose x है. Now we will see how much percentage of her monthly income she expend or she spent. वो कितना खर्च करती है? Samira's expenditures and donation मिलाकर 90 plus 3, 90% plus 3% of monthly income. Total how much percentage she spent? She spent 93 of monthly income. वो अपनी monthly income का 93% खर्च करती है, expenditures और spend करती है. तो how much amount or how much percentage she saves? Samira savings. Samira कितना बचाती है? 100 में से 93 she spend खर्च करती है of monthly income. तो कितना बचता है? 7% of monthly income. Now 7% you will utilize because you know, but she saves rupees 1,750 given. पर उसके पास मंथ के आखिर में at the end of the month शी इज लेफ्ट विथ ₹1750। मंथ के आखिर में उसके पास 1750 बचते हैं, बाकी रहते हैं, दैट इज हर सेविंग्स। 7% ऑफ एक्स मतलब वो 7% है, 1750 is the 7% of her monthly income. Monthly income is X. See here, 7% of monthly income of Samira is 1750, right? 7% इतनी होती है किसकी? उसकी मंथली सैलरी की। So now we have to find her monthly salary, right? Monthly income. So 7% means how much? 7 upon 100. 10% means how much? 10 upon 100. 15% means how much? 15 upon 100. 7%, 7 upon 100. Off means multiply. X means X. 1750. Now we know whatever with X वेरिएबल के साथ में जो होता है, that is 7 upon 100 in the multiplication form. This 7 upon 100 will go to the right hand side, but this fraction will reciprocal. ये fraction यहाँ पे जाके reciprocal होगा. Therefore x is equals to 1750 multiplied by 100 upon 7. Okay, 7 upon 100 का हो जाएगा 100 upon 7. Now we cannot cut 7 and this 100 is not divisible by 7, so we will try to divide this 1750. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. How much will left? 15 16 17 3. This is 3 5 means 35. 7 5s are 35. Okay, then zeros are 0. So how much will left? 250 multiply by 100. We will multiply 25 ones are 25 ones are 25. 1 2 3 3 zeros, that is 25,000. Therefore we came to know that Samira's monthly income is rupees 25,000. Therefore Samira's monthly income or monthly salary is rupees 25,000. I hope you understood. All these three questions are same method. What you will do, first you will consider X amount received by Alka or monthly salary of Nikhil or monthly salary of Samira, BX. First you will find out how much उन्होंने खर्च कितना किया. पहले आप क्या फाइंड करेंगे? How much they spent, what was their expenditure, उन सब की एडिशन करेंगे. That addition you will subtract from 100. Yes, because 100 में से इतना परसेंट खर्च हुआ, तो सेविंग करेंगे. 100 में से कितना खर्च हुआ, that you will find out. And how much left with them, कितनी सेविंग बचती है उनके पास, that is the given percentage. तो 7% of x, या तो पहले क्वेश्चन में 10% of x, या उसके बाद के क्वेश्चन में था 38% of x. So that this is how you have to solve these three questions. Question number 1, 3 and 5. I hope you understood here.